Each puppy has an own personality. Your puppy may exhibit any number of traits, including boldness, shyness, love, and protection. When it comes to potty training, some puppies can be extremely resistant. Regardless of how much you adore your new friend, dealing with persistent accidents in the home and potty training a puppy can be unpleasant. Be patient. Toilet training requires time. Patience is key when dealing with a dog that is difficult to train. While some pups learn to use the potty in a matter of days, others may take 6 months or longer. It's still normal if you're staring at the extremes of this range. You just need to keep up your persistence and consistency. Be reliable. Lay out your potty strategy and stick to it, including the specified area for your dog to relieve himself. Pick a place that is quiet and relaxing that is away from the action. By doing this, you'll avoid having to modify it later if nearby traffic or a neighbor's dog start barking becomes an uncomfortable distraction. Every day, at the same time, take your puppy for a walk, praise them, and give them the same orders. Follow a schedule. One of the biggest mistakes we can make as dog owners is failing to recognize how frequently a young puppy needs to relieve itself. A puppy can often keep its urine for the same number of hours as its monthly age. That means you run the risk of having an indoor accident if you don't let your 8-week-old puppy out every 2 hours. This also holds true at night. You might be able to get by with somewhat longer stretches between potty breaks if your child is a heavy sleeper, but don't push it. Puppies will also need to use the restroom immediately after eating, drinking, and playing. Planning your bathroom breaks at these periods will significantly increase your success. Reward instead of punish. When your dog does well, always provide positive reinforcement and compliment or treat them. You run the danger of raising a timid puppy who is too terrified to go outside and behave properly if you penalize them for having accidents inside. Cleaning up mishaps. Dogs are very attracted to scent, which has a big influence on where they choose to relieve themselves. They will be compelled to return if they can smell the scent of their prior mishap on your carpet or rug. It won't go away by simply cleaning it up, the smell will endure. In order to eliminate the temptation for your dog to mess there again, it is crucial to remove any signs that an accident occurred with an enzymatic cleaner. 3. Use a crate. There are several advantages to crate training. It can be useful for trips, will keep your dog safe while you're away, and can be a place for them to go when you have visitors. Your go-to strategy for toilet training can also be crate training. Puppies don't like to use the restroom in their own zone, according to the theory behind it. They won't have enough room to use the restroom and escape if they are kept in crates that are only large enough for them to stand up and turn around comfortably. They will reconsider when and if they need to leave as a result. Stick to the let 'em out often guideline when crate training, and listen and look out for any indications that they need to go. The fact that an accident in the cage is considerably simpler to clean up than one on your carpet is another advantage of the crate training method of potty training. Give them some time. Everybody rushes occasionally, especially if it's the 13th time you've taken your dog out for the day. Rushing your resistant puppy to go potty won't persuade them to follow your instructions. Make sure kids spend enough time outside to snoop around the yard, smell the air, and talk to the neighbors. You can gently and often remind them to use the restroom, but avoid frightening or upsetting them. Consider installing a wireless dog fence in your unfenced yard if you are worried about your pet's safety while they are out there for an extended amount of time. Get assistance. Adding more people is not something to be ashamed about. A dog walker, dog sitter, or friend who can let your puppy out during the day while you're away could be of assistance. Another option is doggy daycare, which can assist you in giving young pups the constant access to pee breaks they require. A professional trainer or animal behaviorist who can work with you and your puppy on various toilet training techniques is another option for assistance. Keeping in touch with your veterinarian is also crucial. A puppy may just be unable to contain its bladder due to medical conditions, including urinary tract infections. To rule out medical factors for any form of potty training delay, always consult your veterinarian.